Today I'm having lunch with a lovely couple that I recently finished a project for in downtown Miami, and I haven't seen the finished product since we finished right around Christmas time and everybody went on vacation. So they invited me over for lunch today, and I'm excited to see how everything turned out. They're probably about 90% done. I think we still need like some pieces of artwork and stuff, but most of the stuff is already installed. The wallpaper, the curtains, all the furniture. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks, and let's get started. So just a quick background on this project. My clients are Miami natives. They have a beautiful apartment on the beach. So they bought this place in downtown to really experience the downtown life and the city life on the weekends. So it's more of a weekend place for them to go shopping and try out all the new restaurants. So what we were trying to achieve as far as the design style here is something very contemporary, not cookie cutter, something more of a custom feel. So there was a lot of custom elements brought into this design. And we wanted to keep it kind of monochromatic, using some very neutral colors, nothing too bright, because we really didn't want to take away from the overall city view, which is absolutely stunning from the 29th floor. We took what was essentially a blank canvas and really created a custom look by adding beautiful textured wallpapers, creating accent walls in each space, and just creating a nice monochromatic vibe throughout the space by using neutral colors, muted metals, and really nice finishes like marbles and suedes and velvets, keeping it very warm overall, but keeping it very monochromatic. Again, the whole idea behind this was a place to relax, making it very comfortable, but not taking away from that beautiful view by using anything distracting. The kitchen and dining area was a little bit of a challenge. We needed to fit a nice bar area here for my client to serve his drinks, and we also needed to find a table that would accommodate up to 6 people. But the challenge was finding a table that was big enough for 6 people and that was small enough to fit in this kind of floating space between the kitchen and the living room. And so we managed to find a nice oval-sized dining table that was not too big and that would still allow for nice overall flow and open space between the kitchen and the living room. As you can see, the bedrooms are off to either side, so we really were very careful not to obstruct any space here and keep it all nice and open. The guest bedroom was also a very important space because it needed to serve a few functions. The first function is obviously to accommodate guests, so we needed to find a very comfortable sleeper sofa. But also my client wanted to use this as his man cave, so it was very important for him to find a nice comfortable chair where he can sit back, relax, watch his golf games on TV. And we also needed to accommodate a small space here for light office work. So just a place for him to hook up his laptop, surf the web, check the stock market, and just do some light office work. So we created this custom piece of furniture in this nook here that serves 2 purposes, basically, office space and storage. We put the TV on a swivel, so when he's sitting at his office, he can push it out of the way, and when he's sitting in his comfortable chair, he can watch TV easily. The master bedroom is still work in progress. We're waiting for a nice art piece to come in still and a few little touches here and there. But overall, I love the way it turned out. Again, keeping it very monochromatic, but we added a little pop of color here by adding navy blue and pink as the accent colors and pairing it with mixed metals. So we used some gold on the furniture and some gray and silver on the accents. Overall, a nice plush feel. Again, adding a beautiful textured wallpaper here, creating a nice accent wall behind the bed to give that overall custom contemporary feel. We're still waiting on the light fixture, a few more accent pieces, and a nice piece of art, but overall, I'm just loving the way this project turned out.